Hi everyone, welcome. So totally, uh, 8 candidates given the test. Totally 100 candidates are allowed, but so far only 8 candidates given the test. I'm really appreciating you people especially because you people at least have courage to write the test. So really, I'm appreciating you. You are more forward when comparing with your competitors, right? So the students who are really not showing any courage to write the test, at least ask yourself, question yourself, at least if you don't have any dare, if you don't have any courage at least to write the test, so how can you attempt the exam? Okay, this is the self question you have to ask yourself, right? And if you see the scores, so here 8 out of 10, that is Himanshu Oja, right? So this person is the topper of this test so far. So next one is 7 of 10, that is Kiran. Okay, so next John, 6 out of 10, right? So these are the test scores. So the topper of the test so far is Oja, right? So I'm going to provide you the solutions now, okay, along with the aptitude questions. So correct yourself if you would have done anything wrong, okay. So the first question is the angle between the planes, right? The first question is angle between the planes. So the formula is cos theta equal to h1 h2. Just wait. Yes. So the formula cos theta equal to h1 h2 plus k1 k2 plus L1 L2 over root over h1 square plus k1 square plus L1 square root over h2 square plus k2 square plus L2 square, right? I can't write the question again here. If you want, please go through that mock test link and see the question paper, right? And if you put the values here, so the first one h1 k1 and l1, right? h1 k1 l1, h2 k2 l2, we have the values 1 1 0 and 0 0 1. So 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, that is h1 h2 plus k1 k2 plus l1 l1 l2 over root over h1 square plus k1 square plus l1 square, that is 1 plus 1 plus 0 and 0 plus 0 plus 1, right? So the answer is 0. So cos theta equal to 0, that means cos 90 equal to 0, so theta equal to 90 degrees. So this is the first question answer. Next question. So just wait, I think slides are there. Mm, it's not working. Okay, okay, just wait. Okay, right. So the second question, energy given E less than E less than 15 h square over 8 ma square. 15 h square over 8 ma square energy given. Then you have to find out, I think, number of energy levels, right? Okay. So the formula for this is, we know E equal to h square by 8 ma square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square, right? So E less than 15 means up to 14 you can go, up to 14 you can go. So in place of nx, ny, nz, so first of all I can put 1 1 1, right? If I put 1 1 1 here, I will get the energy as 3 h square by 8 ml square. Next, if I put 1 1 2, again 3 degeneracy, 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1. Okay, you can put anything here. So if I put here 1 1 2, then I will get 6. If I put 1 2 2, I will get 9, right? If I put 1 1 3, I will get 11. If I put 2 2 2, I will get 12. If I put 1 2 3, all different, I will get 14. So totally 1 2 3 4 5 6. So energy levels are 6. Okay, so total 6 energy levels. Next question, polydispersity index. So equal masses, right? So the question is equal, if I'm not wrong, equal masses of two molar masses given, right? So one is 10,000, second is 20,000. Second is 20,000. So these are molar masses and equal masses given. So you have to find out PDI. So the formula of PDI, polydispersity index, equal to MW bar by Mn bar, right? So first of all, you have to find out the formula for this. How you can find out the formula? So Mn bar we know, sigma Ni Mi over sigma Ni, right? So given equal masses and we have the two values here. So I can write N1 M1 plus N2 M2 over N1 plus N2. Okay, so number of moles, that is mass by molar mass. So for suppose N1 M1 plus N2 M2 over N1 plus N2, right? Masses are equal. So here mass M by M1 into M1, right? Number of moles is nothing but mass by molar mass, and M by M2 into M2 over N1 again. So that is M by M1 plus M by M2, right? So M1 M1 get cancelled, M2 M2 get cancelled, and you have to take common here. So if I take common, then I can write this one as 2M over M into 1 by M1 plus 1 by M2, right? So M get cancelled. Then I will get the formula as 2M1 M2 over M1 plus M2. This formula I will get. So just put the values. So this is M1, this is M2. Put here, you will get the value. So the value is 4 by 3 into 10 power of 4. This is Mn bar. And now you have to find out. So this is Mn bar, this is Mw bar, you have to find out. Mw bar. Again same thing, N1 M1 square, N1 M1 square plus N2 M2 square by N1 M1 plus N2 M2, right? Okay. So put here M by M1, M1 square, M by M2, M2 square over M by M1, M by M1 into M1 plus M by M2 into M2. M1 M1 get cancelled, M2 M2 get cancelled, M1 M1 M2 M2. Okay, so if you do this, then I will get this one, M into M1 plus M2 over 2M. M get cancelled. Finally, I will get M1 plus M2 over 2. This is the formula. Just put the values. You will get this value as 3 by 2 into 10 power of 4, right? So this value 3 by 2 10 power of 4. So Mw bar by Mn bar. So this over this, so 10 power of 4, 10 power of 4 get cancelled. Okay, so if you do this, then your answer will be 1.125. You have to take Mw bar by Mn bar, right? Next question. Just wait. Next question is A plus B, which is gives rise to C plus D. Okay, A plus B which is gives rise to C plus D. Now the rate equal to K into concentration A whole power minus 1 by 2, concentration B whole power 1 by 2. This is the rate. Then if I increase the concentration on doubling the concentration, what will be the rate? So the new rate R1 equal to K into, on doubling the concentration means 2A whole power minus 1 by 2, 2B whole power 1 by 2. So I can write K into 2 power minus 1 by 2, 2 power minus 1 by 2, A power minus 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, B power 1 by 2. Right? Here the base is same. So you can add the powers, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 0. So I can write K into 2 power 0, A power minus 1 by 2, B power 1 by 2. Right? So anything power 0 is 1. So K into, again I will get the same rate. I will get same rate. That means R equal to R1. So the answer is rate is same. Okay. Next question. Given one oxy acid having phosphorus which is in +4 and +5 oxidation state, right? So we know one structure H5P3O10, right? So from that structure we can write HO P OH double bond O, and here oxygen, here phosphorus, and here POP linkage is there if you have H5P3O10, right? But here H5P3O9 is the correct option. Why? Because P here, OH double bond O, and here OH. Here OH, and here also OH. Okay, and here double bond O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, H5. Here 1, 2, 3, P3, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, O9. And if you see here, -1, -1, -2, -1, right? So here +5 oxidation state, here +4 oxidation state, right? So this is the correct structure, H5P3O9. Next, average value of link. Average value of link is 100 probability. So we have one formula, K equal to 1 by 1 minus P, right? So how can I write? K into 1 minus P equal to 1, right? So 1 minus P equal to 1 by K, right? P equal to 1 minus 1 by K. So 1 minus 1 by 100. If you calculate this, then your answer will be 0.99. Next question. Number of normal modes of vibration of ammonia. Normal modes of vibrations of ammonia, right? Ammonia is non-linear, so I can write 3n minus 6. Simple formula. 3 into number of atoms 4 minus 6. 12 minus 6, so 6 is the answer. Next. So one structure given, IR Cl PC6 H5 tries whole tries. Okay. So they are asking 31p proton decoupled 31p NMR signals, and the structure is simple in options. So the first one is square planar. Second, TBP I think, or tetrahedron. Third one tetrahedron. Fourth one is none. Right? Okay. If the structure is TBP, then you should have 5 coordination number, right? But here only you have 1 chlorine, 3 C6H5 groups, 3 C6H5, that means 4 ligands are there. So TBP is not the answer. Just eliminate them. And square planar tetrahedron. If it is tetrahedron, if you see, the central metal atom is IR. If when we have 4D and 5D, in most of the cases, in general, we will have square planar complex, not tetrahedral. So eliminate this option. And if you see the structure IR Cl P C6H5 tries, that is C6H5 C6H5 C6H5. This is the first one. Second, again same thing, C6H5 C6H5 C6H5. Next this C6H5 C6H5 C6H5. If you see, two phosphorus atoms are in the same environment and next one is different environment, right? So that two phosphorus will give triplet and one phosphorus will give doublet, right? So the answer is square plane. Next, so 8 questions are okay. 9th question, unit digit. So to find out this unit digit, I have one table, right? It is very important to remember that table. If you can remember that table, it is very easy to do this type of questions. I am going to provide this table in Telegram channel. Okay, so please note down the table and you can do this question by yourself. Okay, so next question, very important question, that is reminder. So the reminder is, you have to calculate 67 power 67 divided by 68, right? So first of all, what you have to do is, this is a power n divided by b. It is in the form, right? It is in this form. So if a less than b, okay, remember, if a less than b, I'm giving one rule here, a power n plus c power n is always divisible by a plus c. Okay, so remember this rule. This rule is very important. Okay, so here if you see a 67 b 68, that means a less than b, then a power n plus c power n is always divisible by a plus c. Then what is c? Simple, 68 is there. I'm writing this 68 as 67 plus 1. We know 67 is nothing but a and this 1 is nothing but your c. Okay, now, so I'm writing 67 power 67 divided by, in place of 68 I'm writing this, so 67 plus 1. Clear? Now this a power n plus c power n, that means 67 power 67. So this is n is also 67 plus c power n, that is 1 power 67 divided by, is always divisible by a plus c, that is 67 plus 1. Okay, so I can write 67 power 67 plus 1 power 67 over 68. So this is a plus c by b, because 68 is nothing but b, this is nothing but your a, this is nothing but your c, right? So here remember one rule, if a plus c is exactly divisible by b, then your remainder is b minus c. Okay, here b is nothing but 68, c is nothing but your 1, so the remainder is 67. Okay, so this is about this test. Okay, so one question remains. I'm going to provide that question in the Telegram channel. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much.